So our next problem statement is the bigger or smarter. Here you can say the popularity rate is B, success rate is high, and level is 2. The statement itself implies that some people think that the bigger an elephant is, the smarter it is. So we think that if the size of an elephant is huge, then he is smarter. To disprove this, you want to analyze a collection of elements and place as large as subset of elephants as possible in a sequence whose weights are increasing but IQs are decreasing. So we are going to have a subset of sequence of elephants whose weights are increasing but the IQs are decreasing. So let us talk about the input that we have been provided with. The input will consisting of data for a bunch of elephant at one elephant per line terminated by the end file. So the input will consisting of, here you can see the input consisting of bunch of data and every line is terminated by an elephant. The data of each particular elephant will consisting of a pair of integer. The first represents its size in kgs and the second represents its IQ. In hundreds of IQ point, both the integers are between 100 and 10,000. So here the sample input consisting of first the weight of an elephant and second the IQ. So 6008 is the weight of an elephant and 1300 is what IQ of this particular elephant. Both the integer will be the weight will be from 1 to 10,000 and the data contains information at most of 1000 elephant. Two elephant may have the same weight and the same IQ or even the same weight and IQ. So it is the possibility that two elephants can have the same weight and same IQ or even the weight and IQ both same. So what output has been expected? The first line should contain an integer n, the length of the elephant sequence. So the first line will contain the integer n, the length of an elephant sequence found, and the remaining n lines should each contain a single positive integer representing an elephant. So the remaining line should contain a single positive integer representing an elephant. Denotes the number of ith data line as wi si if the sequence of n elephants are a of I, a of 2 till a of n. Then it must be the case that the weight, here you can see what should be the case, that the weight should be in the decreasing order and the IQ should be in an increasing order. So in the order for the answer to be corrected, n must be as large as possible and on inequalities are strict. Weight must be strictly increasing and IQs must be strictly decreasing. Your program can report an correct answer for a given input. So for the given input, you need to return an array, a sequence of array or a sequence in which the weight is the weight is decreasing and the IQ is increasing. So this is we are prohibited. I had summarized this input in this form. This input, these you can see the weight and these are what? The IQ levels of the elephant. So suppose you store this particular sequence in an array. So the indexing will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 in this blue pen I have represented. What output has been expected? So the output will be total number of sequence of elephant which lies in condition where weights are decreasing and IQs are increasing. So the sequences for the given particular input four elephants are this and these are the position. 4 is a position in which the elephant of weight 1000 and IQ 4000 lies. So here 4 at the position of 4 the elephant of the IQ weight 1000 and IQ 4000 lies. Then 5th is 1100, the IQ is 3000. So on 9 and 7. So you can see that we are having a list of elephants whose weight are increasing and what IQs are decreasing. So strictly we have been satisfying the given condition. So to solve this, first observe that we can sort a single column, that is IQ value, and run the longest increasing subsequence algorithm on the other. You will need to take a small modification to check whether the case is where are equivalent IQ's value but different weight or vice versa. Note that the problem statement is the inequalities are strict. Therefore, within the use of LSI algorithm, you need to check that the next weight is in the sequence is greater than the previous weight, and the next IQ is less than the previous phase. So likewise, with the help of longest increasing subsequence algorithm, you can solve this problem statement.